Your secret productivity hack is sabotaging your career. The thing you think is helping you is actually eroding your professional value. You found a new AI tool, plugged in your data, and finished your 8-hour task in 20 minutes. It feels like a superpower. But while you're celebrating this newfound speed, you are unknowingly building a foundation of sand. Every shortcut you take without verification is a brick removed from your reputation's wall, leaving you vulnerable to the slightest error. We live in an era of hyper-efficiency where the pressure to deliver is relentless. When a new LLM promises to draft your reports or summarize complex legal briefs, the temptation to bypass the hard work is almost irresistible. You see the results, instant, polished, and professional. However, a recent study by the Harvard Business School found that while AI can boost productivity by up to 40%, it simultaneously increases the risk of significant errors in complex tasks. You aren't just saving time, you are delegating your critical thinking. When you stop engaging with the substance of your work, you stop being an expert and start becoming a mere operator of a black box, waiting for a mistake to surface. This brings us to the dangerous phenomenon known as shadow AI. This occurs when employees use unvetted, third-party AI tools to handle sensitive company data without IT's knowledge. It starts small, a quick prompt to summarize a confidential meeting transcript. But the risks are massive. In 2023, a major tech firm faced a significant data leak because an engineer uploaded proprietary source code into a public AI model for debugging. By bypassing corporate security protocols, you are essentially inviting a Trojan horse into your organization's most sensitive vaults, trading long-term security for a momentary spike in your daily output. AI errors aren't just typos, they are professional liabilities. We have already seen legal professionals facing sanctions after submitting court filings that contained entirely hallucinated case citations. The AI confidently invented precedents that simply did not exist. When you present AI-generated content as your own, you inherit 100% of the responsibility for its accuracy. If a client makes a decision based on a flawed metric you provided, the blame won't land on the software, it will land on you. In the professional world, being fast is meaningless if you are also fundamentally unreliable and legally exposed. The most insidious danger is the erosion of your unique expertise. If your primary contribution to a project is simply prompting an AI and cleaning up the output, you are effectively training your replacement. A survey by LinkedIn suggests that skills are becoming obsolete faster than ever. If you rely on AI to do the heavy lifting of analysis and synthesis, you lose the cognitive struggle required to master your craft. You are essentially training yourself to be a middleman. When the technology evolves to handle the prompt and the cleanup, the only thing left to replace is the person who wasn't adding any real value. The solution isn't to reject AI, but to redefine your relationship with it. You must transition from an operator to an architect. Use AI to handle the repetitive, low-stakes tasks, but maintain strict oversight of the high-stakes logic. Think of it as a co-pilot. The AI handles the navigation, but you are the captain responsible for the flight path. Always verify every data point, cross-reference every citation, and inject your unique human perspective into every output. By adding the layer of human intuition and critical verification, you transform AI from a shortcut into a powerful, scalable extension of your own expertise. AI is the most powerful tool ever created, but it lacks a conscience and a fundamental sense of responsibility. It can generate content, but it cannot take accountability. Use it to accelerate your work, but never let it replace your judgment. You are the final line of defense for your reputation. If you want more videos like this, subscribe and follow. Oops, it's AI. See you in the next one.